in a perfect cone structure at 2,463 meters high, which is 65% of her sister Mount Fuji in Japan and 3 times that of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. But it's not her appearance and height that make her so majestic, it's her personality. Mayeon is shy. She is so shy, she hides behind the clouds all the time. In fact, some say her husband are the clouds. And when you finally see her, she is beautiful. That's insane! She is angry. That tip of hers erupts every 3 to 5 years. That is deadly angry. But best of all, she is perfect. The most perfect human being nature has to offer. That's Mayeon. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.